Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. And what we have here is a front head for a Harley Knucklehead. You can see the dummy primer. We believe this is late 38, 39. It's a small port head. And we believe this is new old stock. You never know what you're going to find around this building here. It's perfect. Now, it's never had guides in it. Seats are just absolutely gorgeous. So we marked it small port, late 38 to 39 only. Of course, it's 61 inch. I mean, this is new. Still has all the castings. Here's your casting number on it by the exhaust. There's your casting here. I don't know, the nut itself looks like it's had someone put the nut on or something. It's got little marks on a nut, and I don't know what the deal is there with that. But anyway, this is clean. This is clean. So we're going to be offering this for sale on our webpage. And if you've got a 38 or 39 knucklehead and you need a good cylinder head for it, this is the ticket, I believe. Doesn't need any work, just to put the guides in it and do a valve or touch up the seats or whatever you need to do, lap up the valves, and I think it'll be ready to go. No repairs, no damage. This is a very, very, very nice part and perfect for your restoration, to say the least. Or this would be good to have in your mantle just to look at. All right, well, thanks for looking.